In the fascinating world of canine society, understanding the social structure of a dog pack offers insightful revelations into their behavior. At the top of the hierarchy is the alpha, typically a confident leader guiding the pack's decisions, with beta members acting as loyal lieutenants who maintain order. Below them are the subordinates, contributing to the pack's activities, including hunting and playing, while learning through interaction and cooperation. Finally, omegas, often at the bottom, help alleviate tensions with their playful demeanor. This structured hierarchy emphasizes roles that parallel teamwork, ensuring survival and harmony. Like our content? Subscribe to our channel for more intriguing insights.